is that if you've been watching the Winter Olympics and have been watching the curling in particular, there's a man in the curling team, his name is Scott Andrews, who the presenters have been up until today saying he's from Irvine. And Scott would be aware of this by quite a lot of us varying amounts of abuse via the internet. Scott, why are they saying you're from Irvine? So I've corrected today on he's from Prestwick. Scott is a former lead drummer of the Ayrshire Fiddle Orchestra. His sister played the violin in the orchestra. His parents were tour parents of the orchestra, and Scott's one of the curlers representing Great Britain in the Olympics. And the Irish Washerwoman was one of his favourite pieces to play. So what we're going to do is we've got a video camera positioned at the back of the hall, and what we're going to do is we're going to play this, and at the end you're going to write a massive, wonderful cheer, and we'll be able to send that to the team out in Sochi and give them a real boost from home and a boost from the Fiddle Orchestra, because things didn't quite go to plan today. So, don't put that in the film. So we'll sit in this big thing. So, from here in Prestwick to you out in Russia, we play the Irish Washerwoman.